Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joy Bettenhausen. We have a chance of our wintry mix today, and well, we've already seen it start to fly, especially in areas across Decorah. That's why I have threat tracker in yellow, because slick spots can arise depending on where this wintry mix falls. At least we're dry for the weekend, and temperatures continue to warm through Sunday. Here's a look at satellite radar and temperatures. Now, of course, temperatures are playing a big role in determining what type of precipitation we get here at home. Notice near Decorah, we've got blue, so that would indicate either snow or wintry mix, but our temperatures are down at 32 degrees, and I just checked our Decorah camera before I started recording this, and you can visibly see snow fall across that camera. We've got 35 and 36 in Elkader, 34 in Olwine, so likely going to see that wintry mix or snow develop southward. Otherwise, we're just too warm area wide, and that's why the precipitation across much of eastern Iowa has stayed just as rain. And it's actually coming down at a good clip. As we zoom in here, we have that snow and wintry mix near Decorah that's pushing south towards Olwine. We've got rain in New Hampton, Waverly, and Waterloo. Further east, we've actually had some roads covered in Lansing. I'll show you that in just a second. Rain continuing in Elkader, Guttenberg, down towards Manchester. Further south, and especially earlier this morning, you guys didn't see that much rain, especially near Washington and Sigourney. It was very light, but now you're getting a good helping of that rain extending all the way down from Cedar Rapids, Iowa City towards Washington. That's what we've got going on so far. Still some partially covered roads with slush back to the west of Des Moines and southwest corner of the state, but here at home we're finally starting to pop up on the map. We have partially covered roads of slush. We've got a little mix of snow and sleet in the mix too, near Lansing all the way down to Prairie du Chien. So if you're traveling in these locations, just be mindful of those potential slick spots. Notice we will keep this activity throughout the afternoon and the evening hours. Again, it's all dependent on temperature. If temperatures cool down to about 34, 35 degrees, you'll see that wintry mix. If they cool even further like they did in Decorah, you'll likely see snow. Notice this does continue through the evening commute, so be mindful as you'll be out maybe in your vehicles traveling on roadways. Maybe you're grabbing a bite to eat as well. You're either going to encounter rain or you're going to count the wintry mix or snow. I think all of eastern Iowa will be dealing with something at that point. And then good news though, as we approach midnight, at least our western half of the viewing area is dry, and we'll continue to see that precipitation move out of eastern Iowa towards the early parts of our morning on Saturday. Any precipitation lingering throughout Saturday morning will be on the lighter side. Now, if we do get snow, we're already seeing that in Decorah. We could see anywhere between an inch to 3 inches north. We've got a band from Dubuque and Tama possible, anywhere between a trace to an inch. Not expecting anything south, as will just be too warm. But again, this is the conditional chance, meaning if temperatures can get cool enough and if they can stay that way over a period of time. Today's highs will be cooler today than yesterday. Upper 30s north, mid 40s south, as we have that rain and wintry mix. Tonight, grab your coat if you're headed out the door. We'll be down in the 30s, and the wintry mix and rain will finally come to an end. City by city forecast: Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Dry for the weekend. Temperatures nearing 70 in some spots on Sunday. We keep the warm temperatures through Monday, but that does come with another chance of rain.